In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can start dropshipping with 5 to 7 day shipping to the US and 8 to 10 day shipping international. I know I have a lot of students shipping to Germany, France, Australia. You can ship extremely fast and in less than a week to the United States. I originally did not plan to do this video. My friend Scott Hilsey released a new software with his partner and it's absolutely mind-blowing. I wanted to share it with my audience as well. So let's find out how you can ship in less than a week, build your brand, and stop with the excuse, oh, but the long shipping times, and get your business started today. Let's find out. Hey, what is up? It's Rafael here. Like I said, we're gonna talk about a new software, a new system that allows you to ship in less than a week to the United States, products from China, and also products from the United States that you can ship locally in like a day or two. So it's insanely fast. You're gonna be the new Amazon, essentially, and you're not gonna have to deal with those long 15, 21, even some students have had 40-day long shipping times. You get your accounts banned from PayPal, from Stripe. Your inbox just get flooded with customer requests. We have like 3 VAs now. We'll probably have to lower that amount of team just because we won't get as many customer support requests if the software does deliver on what it's promising. Also with this software, you can get custom invoicing and custom branded private labeling. So even if you're not a brand yet and you're just doing like a niche store or you're doing a general store, you can still brand the products and it looks way more legitimate, less likely to get returns, less likely to get chargebacks, and just builds a better brand and a more profitable business for you. Before we start and I take you into the software to show you how everything works, make sure to comment down in the comments below your video idea for the next couple of videos that I'm gonna do here on the channel. We're getting super busy here with the mentoring and obviously the dropshipping businesses. So it's gonna be hard for me to think of new ideas. If you comment below the new video idea, plus subscribe and hit that notification bell, I'll choose one of you to get on a 1-hour consulting call with me directly. In every single video, I get on a 1-hour consulting call with one particular student, and comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and you might win. Also, check the first link in the description for a step-by-step 0 to 42,000 per month case study. That case study is gonna blow your mind. Check that first link in the description right now. All right, let's go to Silk Road right here. You can see import viral products to your store in minutes. And it says from reliable US, Canada, United Kingdom, and that's true. They do have a lot of multiple suppliers all around the world. In the bottom, you can see here, why use Silk Road? It's easy to use, which it is. We just processed 2 test orders through it, and it is quite easy to use. They fulfill insanely fast, so it kind of works like Oberlo. It's pretty much the same system, so it's easy to transport yourself from Oberlo to Silk Road. It's just the same software and the same type of usage and the same user experience, so it's gonna be very easy to use. You can do instant import as well here, and then you can import, fulfill it, and ship it pretty much like Oberlo. You're gonna know how to use it. If you've used Oberlo for dropshipping, you're gonna know how to use Silk Road. There's 3 plans. There's a free one, which you can just get started today with the free one. If you want to sign up, the link is the second one in the description. It is not an affiliate link. It is the official Silk Road, so it's not an affiliate link. And then the second one is the pro one. It says unlimited orders per month, as well as the branded invoicing and the bulk ordering, which I highly recommend. If you're doing multiple orders per day, per month, per week, you will have to do bulk ordering, obviously, as well as the branded invoicing. It's just gonna give a better experience for your customers, and it's just gonna help you a lot. Also, the express shipping is huge. I'm gonna show you how fast these products actually ship, and these products can ship in less than a week if you have the express shipping. So if you're just testing it out, take the free one. If you're doing the heavy volume and you're starting to sell a lot, then do the pro one. Then if we go to login here, if you go to incognito and click Silk Road, or thesilkroad.com actually, not Silk Road. If you click on thesilkroad.io, it'll send you to this particular page where you can create your account with your email, your password, pretty much the same as any other software that you would create. You sign up, you put your email, your last name, your password, and then when you click login, I'm already signed up and logged in, it'll take you to this page where you can choose your product that you want to start selling. For example, you have all of these in the homepage, just like Oberlo is it's the same system. If you understand Oberlo, you're gonna understand here. You can also search the product or just go look by category. So let's say I'm selling stuff in the kitchen niche, and I have products here, the watermelon cutter, you have the fruit cutter here, you have the egg maker, you have multiple products. Also, one thing that I love is that the products on Silk Road are actually within the price of original AliExpress suppliers, or even cheaper. There are some products, for example, I was looking at the indestructible shoes, they're like $4 to $5 less than the AliExpress top suppliers. And some of the other products, for example, if we go to the fish scale scraper right here and we go to AliExpress and compare it to AliExpress, you can see that the top one is $152 to $179, and then we have another one here, $178. This particular product is $210. So the cost change isn't huge. It's not like super less expensive or super more expensive. It's just pretty much well with the line of AliExpress. So in order to transition over to Silk Road from Oberlo or from whoever you're using right now, it's not gonna be like a huge bump in your business. If you go to the shipping time, which is what I absolutely love, is it says the country, delivery time, and the cost. For the US, you have a delivery time of 8 days to 15 days. Then you have international, 8 to 15 days. I have students selling in Germany, students selling in Australia, United Kingdom, France, Spain, Italy, and 8 to 15 is actually really good for international, especially for Europe, where it takes like maybe 20, 25 days for a product to arrive. To get it in 8 days is insane. And then the USA Express, 5 to 7 days. You can be shipping in 5 days to the US for just $350. It's crazy. And also the processing time is 1 to 3 days. How to process orders is pretty easy. If you want to add a product, it's essentially the same thing as Oberlo. You can just click add to import list. So you go to the thing, add to import list, and it'll be sent to the import list of the app, just like on Oberlo. So if you click, there we go, it's added to import list, and then import list here, we can click on that and it'll show us the product. And then you can change the description, you can change the variants, change the images that you have on here, pretty much the same as Oberlo. Add tags, collections, product type, and then just import it to the store. And now it'll be imported to the store, and then now you're gonna have it in your store essentially. Now, in order to process orders, what you're gonna do is go to the dashboard here. We've processed 2 test orders, and you'll see them right here. You'll see the total sales, total profit, and then the orders to fulfill. You're gonna go to orders to fulfill, fulfill order, and then you're gonna click on that. Payment status is paid, so paid by your customer. You're gonna say the date, customer, in this case it's me, it was a test order, and then the payment status paid. You're gonna fulfill that order, and now we're gonna click fulfill, and now we will see the processing. So essentially, oh, this is pretty cool. So when I clicked on the first one, it asked me for payment details to actually pay for the product to send it to the customer. Now that I've already added payment details, all I have to do is click fulfill, and this is with the free plan actually. So if you upgrade, you can do multiple orders at the same time. So if you have like 50 orders, you can just fulfill them all at the same time, which is awesome, which is what I've been talking about that Oberlo is having trouble with, and then we can use de-essers to do that. Silk Road does them both at the same time, which is very solid. You can click fulfill orders here on the top. Before we go on, I do want to congratulate Matthew Cooper for being the winner of the past videos consulting call. If you want to win a call directly with me, comment down your video idea, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and hit that thumbs up button if you're enjoying this video. Then if you can't find your product, which is gonna be the case with a lot of people, one of my students, for example, could not find his product that's making like 10,000, 20,000 a month, what you can do is, let's say you click on Made in USA, and you wanna find a product that's made in the US, but it's not on here. Let's type in like dog LED leash. Let's type that in, and it'll say, sorry, we couldn't find any matches, don't see the product you're looking for, request a product. And what you're gonna do is put the product link on a Shopify store on there in the request product, and they'll essentially get the product for you. They're starting to get as many products as possible. Obviously, it's a new software. Don't expect it to have hundreds of thousands of products like Oberlo has, but they will start to add more and more and more. It's gonna be awesome. Oberlo has mentioned of acquiring them, so it is gonna be a huge software. I really like the platform, and I really like what they're doing with the platform. It's people that have transacted millions of dollars, and they're experienced with it. It's not like it's just some type out there. We have not tried it on our official store, like getting multiple orders or getting a max amount of orders. Most of our products are not even on here, so we requested them, and now we're waiting for that. This is just gonna change the scope of dropshipping a lot. Again, it's gonna get a lot more people into the platform because they're not afraid of the long shipping times, as well as it's gonna make it easier to start a dropshipping business, to build a dropshipping business, and to actually scale it up, because Payment processors, chargebacks, long shipping times are usually the things that hold us back. Now it's gonna be sort of a free to scale type. I love the platform. Let's see how it develops. Before I was talking about Weo that was gonna do the same. Weo was kind of a disappointment, so I'm just hoping Silk Road really delivers on what they're promising. That's it for Silk Road. If you wanna learn how Lensball, a brand that went from 0 to 130,000 per month, exactly how they did it and the whole strategy, click the video right there. There's gonna be a video right here, how Lensball went to 130,000 per month. Also, if you wanna apply to mentor directly with me, we have students doing 100,000 a month, 50,000 a month, $1,000 a day. You can apply for mentorship in the link down in the description. It's gonna say apply for mentorship. You just click that and it'll take you directly to the application page. You'll apply and we'll get you started if you fit in the mentorship application. Click that and I'll see you. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next one.